Hey, what's up, Dividend Nomads? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to dive into the portfolio, share with you guys how it's been performing, as well as what I sold, because I did sell something in the portfolio. So I thought I'd give you guys a quick little midweek update, share that with you guys. So we'll make this really quick. Let me record the screen on my phone. 3, 2, 1. Bam. All right, let's open up Charles Schwab here. I'll refresh it for you guys. This is 8 o'clock in the morning here in China, so it still is post-market, so this might move a little bit. We can see the Dow was about 0.5% yesterday, and NASDAQ just over 0.5%, and the S&P was just below 0.5%. My portfolio brought in 1% yesterday. Total value, $75,396. And you can see I have $11,816 in cash. If we go down here and view all the positions, you can see I've got XDTE 855 shares, WPay 420 shares, and then we've got YBTC 106. And you can see I no longer have HOOW because the earnings was coming up and I was watching it very closely, and it was getting way down there by my price target, or by my price buy-in. And I decided to go ahead and sell it in case it had a huge drop on earnings. So I went ahead and sold it, got out of it for profit, and avoided any mishaps there. And then see down here at the bottom, SWVXX, $5,000 there and $6,700 in cash. Now, what am I planning to do with this portfolio right now? I might buy back into HOOW, but I might give it a couple of days and see how it reacts, because the earnings just came in like just now after the market, and the earnings were very good. But we've seen a lot of companies have good earnings recently and just get destroyed and go down. And that kind of thing can last for several days, if not a week or a couple of weeks. And also with the looming, government shutdown, it's the longest one we've ever had in history. There's a lot of stuff going on right now that can still push the markets down, even though I am optimistic. But I don't want to get caught in that, and especially in a leveraged single stock play or much money in one. So that's why I sold HOOW. But I am looking at it because I do believe in Robinhood, actually, especially when it comes to like the tokenization of stocks and all that other stuff. I believe they're going to be the leader in that. So I'm keeping a close eye on them, and I will be looking to buy back into it. I'm just going to let it cool off a little bit after the earnings and see how things go before I put my money in there. And actually, in the small account challenge portfolio, I did the same thing. I also exited my HOOW position just to protect the capital, because it was a small account with not a lot of money, and I need to protect the money I have in there. So I went ahead and did the same move over there as well. But like I said, I'll be watching for it, keeping an eye on it, looking for opportunity to buy back in. And hopefully I can time it right. But you know what they say, you're not supposed to try to time the market. But, when you have a small account, you got to protect your assets and protect your capital. So that's what I did, and that's what I'm doing. So anyway, I just thought I'd give you guys a quick update on that. I'll give you guys a full update on the small account challenge tomorrow, and then I'll give you guys a full update on the big portfolio on Saturday or Friday night, maybe Friday night, Saturday morning. So I look forward to seeing you guys then, and I'll see you guys over there. All right, y'all take care.